Microchips, the invisible engines that power our phones, computers, and even cars. Their creation begins with something as simple as sand, specifically silica sand. This sand is refined into pure silicon, melted at over 1,400 degrees Celsius, and formed into large cylindrical ingots known as silicon boules. Each ingot is then sliced into paper-thin discs called wafers, the foundation of every microchip. Inside ultra-clean rooms, where even a single speck of dust can ruin everything, the wafers go through a long and incredibly precise process called photolithography. A thin film of light-sensitive material called photoresist is applied to the wafer's surface. Ultraviolet light is then projected through a microscopic stencil, known as a mask, which etches intricate circuit patterns onto the wafer. These circuits are smaller than a virus millions can fit on a single chip. Next, layers of materials like copper or aluminum are deposited to form pathways for electrical signals. Each layer represents a different level of the circuit, and it takes hundreds of these layers to complete a single chip. Between each layer, chemical baths clean the wafer, and plasma etching carves out the exact design needed. Then comes doping, adding specific impurities to the silicon to control how electricity flows through it. After that, transistors, the switches that perform calculations, are formed. A single microchip can contain billions of these tiny transistors, each just nanometers wide. Once the circuits are complete, the wafer is tested for defects, then cut into individual chips using diamond-tipped saws. Each chip is placed onto a small circuit board, wired and sealed inside protective packaging. Finally, every chip is tested again for speed, power efficiency, and reliability before being shipped off to companies that will use them in phones, laptops, or even spacecraft. What started as grains of sand becomes the beating heart of modern technology, proof that the smallest things can have the greatest power. If you value learning how the world's most advanced creations are made, hit that like button and subscribe for more.